Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Stock by Manufacturer report to filter data, understand the table, and export results from the admin area of your website. Let's dive in. Log into the admin area of your website. After installing the module, go to Reports and select Stock by Manufacturer. Now let's filter the report data. In the Filter section, select the required manufacturer from the drop-down list. Enter a product name to narrow down the results. To view stock data for a specific moment, select the required date. If needed, enable the Supplier Price option. When this option is enabled, the report displays supplier product price and supplier value columns. When disabled, it shows product price and value instead. Next, let's understand the report table. The report is displayed as a table with the following default columns: product model, product name, product quantity, product price, value. To sort the data, click the triangle icon in the product model column. Finally, let's export and navigate the data. Click the export button to download the report in CSV format. To work with large datasets, select the number of records displayed per page using the drop-down list at the bottom of the table. That's it. The Stock by Manufacturer report helps monitor inventory levels, analyze stock values, and export data for further use. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more technical tutorials.